Dear folks, welcome to the series of Offshore Electrical Engineering Learning Session. Next, in this session, we will see important technical considerations of electrical cables for offshore substation. Next, below are the technical considerations of electrical cables for offshore substation. 1. They should have stranded copper conductors for smaller cross-section and better flexibility. 2. They should be voltage and fault rated for the system in which they are operating. 3. They should be rated for the normal maximum current flow in the circuit without exceeding the maximum conductor temperature or the temperature class limit if passing through a hazardous area. Next, 4. If they are involved in a fire, smoke, and acid fume emission should be low. The insulation compound used should have an oxygen index of at least 30. 5. They should normally be armored for mechanical protection. Braided or wire armoring may be used. The braided type is slightly more flexible, but is often more difficult to gland. These criteria cannot be rigidly applied, however, as special cables will be needed for instrumentation, diving umbilicals, downhole pumps, etc. Next, 6. The most common cable type in use is the EPR or CSB type, similar to that found in merchant shipping, which meets the high oxygen index and fire retardant requirements of British Standard 6883 and IEC 93-37. Cables must be sized to allow for circuit current and maximum voltage drop. As with any onshore system, care will still need to be exercised to ensure that close excess protection is still applied and that cable fault ratings are adequate. 8. IEC 61892 is the prime standard for electrical installations on mobile and fixed offshore units, and should be used for guidance in the sizing of conductors. Next, 9. To avoid die currents being induced in local steelwork, such cables must be run in a trefoil configuration. 10. Support or other steelwork must not pass between phases, as the steel will heat up owing to hysteresis loss. 11. Drip loops should be provided at external cable terminations. Electric Wave Online Academy wants to share knowledge so others can learn easily without spending much time. Designed for engineers looking to advance their careers, this course focuses on the essentials of substation design and engineering. Please enroll for these courses. Next, thank you so much for watching video. See you great learners in my next session.